Hello everyone. Tuples edu brings you Python. As of today, Python is everywhere. Okay? It is like in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, chatbots, each and everywhere. It's a backend of many of the websites that you use, specifically Instagram for example. It is everywhere. So it is high time to learn Python. So we bring you in this coming week and maybe in this coming month a Python series from beginners to somewhat intermediate level. There's no advanced level because there's always some scope for development, some scope for improvement. That's what we think. So Python from beginners to intermediate level. Now this course will be freely available on YouTube, and we are planning to provide a certification by putting this course on Udemy. Now, I cannot promise you that, but yeah, you can check the description below, and if there is anything of that sort, it will be announced. Second thing, when you watch this video, make sure it is at least at 720p. Reason being, then and only then it will be easily and clearly visible. And make sure the volume is loud. You're using headphones or earphones, or the volume is at full, and then I guess that at that point of time it will be clearly audible. So let's get started. Before you begin Python, you need to have Python on your machine. So if you are using Windows, okay, your OS is Windows, download Python 3.6.5. Okay, now why 3? Okay, make sure you download any version that is beginning with 3, 3.6.5, 3.5, 3.4, anything of that sort. Just 3. Reason being, Python 2.7 is going to be extinct in the next 2 years. By 2020 there will be no Python 2.7. Okay, but 3 is here to remain. So download 3.6.5. Just click on download 3.6.5, save the file, run the file. Okay, it's a exe file, so it is executable. Run the file, and then you will be presented with a dialog box where it will be saying that do you want to like install now, or whether you want to custom install it. Click on custom install, and there will be two checkboxes: install launcher for all users in bracket recommended, and add Python 3.6 to path. Make sure you check both of these and then click on custom install. Okay, next is install for all you, as I told you. Next is optional features screen, and here you can install everything. Okay, but make sure that you install pip and pylauncher for all users. Pip is actually a Python package manager, and it helps to install many Python packages and libraries. What are they? We will see in this course further. And in advanced options, make sure you select add Python to environment variables. Okay. Next, make sure wherever you are installing this Python, it's not in some remote location which even you don't follow, okay, or even you can't find it. Install it in your C drive, your local Windows drive, and make a folder there. Make a folder in the name of Python 3 and install there. So C colon Python 3. That should be your install location, because then it will be easy to find. So if anything goes wrong, you can easily find Python, okay, where it is installed, and then click on install. It will install everything, and at the end click on disable path length limit. Disable path length limit. When you click on that, it will allow Python to use more than 260 characters on a single file, okay, on the file system, and that is good for us. For Mac users and for Linux users, Mac users, you can click on like download Python 3.6.5 for Mac OS X. Linux users, pretty much the same. You can also use apt get for installing Python 3. And after the installation is finished, how will you know that it has been successfully installed? Then Windows users go to CMD, that is your command prompt, and type Python, okay? And voila, I have Python 3.6.4 on my machine. Now this window that you see is REPL window, REPL, that is run, evaluate, print and loop. Okay, sorry, not run, read, evaluate, print and loop. REPL window. You can actually do pretty much all programming from this REPL window, but I would not suggest that. I would say go for some IDE. IDE is integrated development environment. IDE allows you to have those colorful syntaxes. It allows you to know where you're going wrong. It gives you suggestions. It even points to the part of code where you are wrong. So I would suggest go for IDE, any IDE, but in this course we will be having PyCharm. What is PyCharm? It is by JetBrains and it's a wonderful company, trust me. I've used many of their products, it's wonderful. So download PyCharm for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Okay, whatever your machine is, you will be presented with two options, Professional and Community Edition. Professional is a paid version, Community is free and open source. Go for it. Go for Community, period. Don't think anything else. But if you still want to go for Professional, then students here, you have an opportunity. Use your .edu IDE and you can have this Professional IDE free for a year. Okay. So what you have to do, just click on download. It will be a exe file, and install it. Install it at location where you can find it, and you are ready to go. So after, make sure you do these two things, and after that we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.